HoustonMobileMechanicServices.com.
Emergency car roadside assistance service in Houston, Harris County, Texas. Drivers. Car troubles can strike at the worst times. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Whether you're on the Katy Freeway or in Harris County, you need fast help. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Houston is here. From roadside assistance to inspections, we're here to serve you. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Houston, we handle a wide range of emergencies. Flat tire changes. We'll get your tires back in action. Battery jump starts. We'll test, jumpstart, and replace if needed. Lockout assistance. We'll get you back in your car. Fuel delivery. We'll bring the pump to you. Towing and recovery. We'll transport your vehicle safely. We're about restoring your peace of mind. Looking to buy a car in Houston or Harris County? Don't make a costly mistake. Our pre-purchase car inspection service has you covered. Our expert mechanics will thoroughly check any vehicle. We'll make sure you drive off with confidence. Houston is big, and you need a roadside service that knows every corner of Harris County. Fast response times, 24/7 availability. Day or night, we're always on call. Affordable pricing. No hidden fees, no surprises. Expert mechanics. High-quality professional service every time. I had a flat on I-10 during rush hour. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Houston arrived fast. Lifesavers. Their pre-purchase inspection saved me. Totally worth it. If you find yourself stranded, stay calm and prioritize safety. Pull over safely, turn on hazard lights, and call us at 832-564-3497. We'll handle the rest. Houston, car troubles don't have to ruin your day. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic. Houston is your go-to solution in Harris County. Save our number now, 832-564-3497. We're here to keep you moving because Houston never stops, and neither do we.